This is a grease trap. Grease traps are an essential line of defense when it comes to your plumbing, separating grease from your wastewater before it flows into the main sewer and clogs your pipeline. The inlet and basins are designed to separate cooking waste, aka frogs, from wastewater. No, not that kind of frog. Fats, rags, oils, and grease, which are the most common cause for blockage. And here's how it works. For this demonstration, I'm using a simple concoction I made out of vegetable oil, a little bit of lard, and some warm water. As you can see, the oil is separating from the water. It's because it's a lower density, so it rises to the top and gets trapped behind these retaining walls. Now, if there were any bits of food in this oil, their higher density would cause them to settle on the bottom. Meanwhile, and this is key, the water itself is able to flow freely through the trap and into your sewer system. To ensure that your grease trap maintains proper function, it's important to clean and service regularly. Now that's where we come in. We offer cleaning,
clearing, pumping, disposal, repair, replacement, and installation.
And best of all, we're available 24/7, 365 days a year. Yes, even on weekends. Why? To keep your business flowing. Just call the pros.